Hi lovies, assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make one of our Kenyan street snacks known as muhogo wakukaanga. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. So the first thing, you're going to take your muhogo, if it's one, if it's two, but personally I used one. Then you're going to remove the outer skin. Once you're done, you're going to rinse it and then you're going to cut it into pieces. You can cut it into small pieces or large pieces, that's up to you. Once you're done, you're going to remove the mzizi, the thing which is in the middle, I don't know what's the name. Then afterwards, you're going to place all the muhogos into a sufuria with a bit of water and some salt. Cover, then place the muhogo in a low medium heat and let it to boil for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, using a fork, you're going to check if your muhogo is ready. Make sure that the muhogo doesn't become so mushy. Once it's ready, then you're going to remove the muhogo and then you're going to drain the water completely and then let it to cool down before deep frying the muhogo. Take your frying pan and pour some oil and let the oil to become hot. Once hot, you're going to deep fry the boiled muhogos and then you're going to fry them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Once ready, you're going to place it aside so that the muhogo can remove the excessive oil. So the way we Kenyans we like to eat our muhogo or any snack, you're going to slightly cut the muhogo into two, then take some chili powder with some salt and mix these two ingredients, and then you're going to pour the chili powder on top, as you can be able to see in the video. Lastly, you're going to add some lemon juice, enough lemon guys, and then that's the way we eat this muhogo. Guys, look how this muhogo is super soft and it was so tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try out at home. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly do subscribe and do give the video a big thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.